Welcome to the world of ReadyNAS.
Let's take a look at the new toolless hard drive tray, available on any of the ReadyNAS 100, 300, to 500 series products. To eject the drive from the tray, push the tab, that'll pull the drive backwards, push the two tabs aside, and you're done. To reinsert a drive, align the front of the drive, lay it horizontal, push it in, and you're done. By far, the easiest hard drive tray to use in the industry. Available on ReadyNAS 100, 300, and 500 series products.
Thanks for watching, and we invite you to learn more at www.netgear.com/ReadyNAS. ReadyNAS from Netgear. Storage made easy.